It's so much rain. All right, y'all. So what Roger is alluding to right now already is we had a closure kind of under here, and then this push down, but it's still hella range down to like here, but really down into there. And then with a weak bearish closure like this, and we should be coming on down today, no lie. So we're gonna see what it looks like at 8:30. You got this little support right here, which is kind of making me wonder, but we'll see. We'll definitely see. Roger, I'm assuming that don't worry you right now, huh?
No.
With volume, we'll see what the top wick's hitting on. Come on now. Don't do the BS. I need a top wick. I'm gonna take that entry down there. All my accounts are set up. Make sure.
Okay, come on, give me top wick.
Come on now. Come on now. What we're looking at now is something much like wherever this top wick can come into, because this is too high up here. This is 135 pips. So you got a lot of range to go down, but you need some sort of top wick to get some decent stop loss. That's 25-ish. Man, you would think that's not enough. It'd just be nice to have a little more than that. Okay, I'm gonna set it. So sell stop on a break of the low. Ooh.
Boy, that jumping shit, man.
I know, bro. Last thing I want to do is get in. That should jump me out. So either you can use this high as a stop, or you can like just wait to see what a candle does on a closure. But I'm probably just gonna use this 25 pip stop to kind of keep it tight. 39.92.8. Got a candle that wicked all the way up, broke these highs, closed back below, weak bearish. Once you re-break this low with volume on our side, it should come on down and fill this. Now this is 100+ pip range. All I want is 25, 30, bro. Like, I ain't asking for too much, so we'll see. I like the bigger the top wick, the better, though. There we go. That's great. I want a bigger top wick because a lot of times these candles will break the low and then come back up to make a bigger top wick. So if this re-breaks this low now, re-breaks its own low and these previous lows after making a 50, 60 pip top wick, that'd be great. Because if you look, like imagine this wasn't there and this wasn't here. If you simply just look to the left, what do we look for? Clean candles to mirrors. So the way that this was a perfect entry, honestly. Like the way that this closed very closely to the support, and then this candle wicked up and then broke this low to come on down for 50, 60 pips. But that's all good though. It's still a lot of range left to be had. So let's see what we can do. If I traded 730, that would have been a good move for sure. We'll see.
Not asking for too much.
No, never really. Come on down, man. Once it made this high and comes back down and breaks that low, it should be good, bro.
Gotta be.
It should be. I'll put my phone on D&D. Because I know niggas be trying to take.
I got my risk at negative 30. I'll let it ride.
Oh, man. Come on, man. This is an easy move, bro. I actually got my wrist too high over here.
There you go. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Stop
no.
it.
Fuck. Here we go. That's slipping shit. Come on, bro. All right, I'm in. It slid me a little on the entry, but it's all good though. Ain't worried. Let's see. Come on now. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. 80. Keep pushing, man.
For 5 minutes.
So we got 10 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. It's coming quick. Out.
Order filled.
Out.
Order filled.
Bang.
346. Let's go. I called.
It's probably gonna keep going though. I'm gonna take my little money. Let's see where I get out at. Yep. 320. 320. 32 pips over here. And I think like 30 over here ish. I got slipped a little bit. But
I could have got him the whole 600 on the one.
I got a 550. Let's see how much I made. On across all accounts, 922, 922, 922, 922. 310 on this one. Got slipped real bad. 307 on all these. Not bad though. Damn, I'm tired of getting slipped though. Because I made 537 on these, but these got in late because of the trade copier. It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, what I care about most is my personal. That's all I really care about. So if you look at the 5-minute price action, this didn't have a top wick. So I got out like kind of like right here. It came down a little bit more. You can have a stop loss at break even. Let's see. Damn, it ran about 20 more. That's so ass. But it's like, take what's on the table. Take what's on the table.
Especially in these conditions.
Bro, did it slip you at all?
But I don't know what happened, bro.
Bro, bro, that's the only thing with these sell stops. You're going to get slipped now. So, I'll show y'all. I mean, it wasn't bad. But my entry up, bro, stop loss to break even would have been close to hit. So that's why I'd be like, you can hold for that little extra, but it's like, good luck. So I made my little 537, and how long did that trade take? 47 seconds. So
knew it.
That's it. That's all. I can break that down real fast. Like I said, my stop loss over here would have been tapped because it was I got slipped. So I got slipped by 4 pips. Anyway, Roger, that's what we talking about, man. That's it. That's it. That's all.
Type of trade I like, man.
I'm assuming that's your day.
Yeah.
that's it.
What's up, Tara?
That's it.
Yeah, man.
That's it. I'm actually be able to go into the office at a good time today. Feel good.
And I put my little risk thing, put my profit at 600, risk at 300. Just let it play out.
Letting it play out, bro. So,
that 5 minute did the job, though.
Copy and explain that. But congratulations to whoever took that quick ass trade. Damn, I only made 16 little pips on that. Bro, I made 16 pips on that over on these accounts, bro. They are so lame with that slipping shit, bro. I hate it. I hate it so much. Ain't nothing you can do about it, though. Like, there's no other way to mask it. There's really no other way to go about it. Let's see why y'all got multiple accounts locked out for the week on one. What does that mean, locked out for the week? If you don't mind explaining that. This shit still has a little bit of room to fall. No lie. I might go low risk if I get back in. Like a 1. Because I mean, since I'm up 550, I got 44 pips depending on the next top wick. And it's 5 minute closing below. This is what I was doing yesterday, bro. I was just like, I was deep in that 5 minute, just like, man. It's not as much room. I'd been so mad if I got hit on break even at that, because like I said, my entry was 39.92.4 and it came up to 0.3, but I know the spreads would have got me out. Yeah, definitely. Let me try this 5-minute open. I still can make more. Just because I only made 300 on this and 300 on this and 922 on this. So we'll see. If I get back in, it might be on a 1, but shit, I made my little 316 over here. If it respects this though, yeah, I know I'll be scary just because it's a 5-minute candle, but yeah, bruh, I definitely got slipped. But I can't complain. No, I can't complain. I made 32 pips over here and 16 on my copy accounts. But like I said, I made 550 on my personal. I can't be mad about that. I'll be waiting on 8:45. See what my next trade is. If I'm gonna. Roger, you at the crib today?
Nah, I'm in the office. I clock in at 9.
You made how much you make on that trade?
346.
You said 246? 346. I got you.
Except my get in again though.
Nah, don't do it. Nah, I don't even recommend you do it, bro. How good does that feel to just be done, bro? Like real shit. Like it's nice though when the volume is still there. And I will say that it's a tough fine line between like capitalizing when the volume is there versus over trading. But if you like the move, you like the move. Like it ain't really that big of a deal. But like you said, shit, even if you take micros and try to hit for like 30 on a 5.
Yeah.
Shit, if you saw minus 20 on a 5, take that little positive 246 on a day and just be like, bro, I'm cool. Oh, you still over your quote unquote goal, you know what I'm saying? Like there's always a way to go about it. But what you want to do is at least protect your downside. Like if I just made 550 on all these on my personal account, I could say shit, that was 550 in 47 seconds. I could call it a day. Or if I feel like I can make 750 or 800, I know I damn sure ain't about to lose more than 150, 200 on the next move. So there's always a way to go about it. Oh, I was supposed to explain that trade. I'm bad.
They got to close under.
Yeah, like, yeah. Let me mark up the trade first, and then I'll say, because I know exactly what you're saying. Delete, copy image. That really was the 30-minute and the 30-minute only, if I'm not mistaken. Like, all right. And so it was great too because this 30-minute candle didn't break this low.
Mm-hmm.
So when that thing respected that low, closed weak bearish after rejecting all these highs, and this gave a nice 50 pip wick up. Okay, so 2 30-minute candles closed beneath most recent support. Most recent 30-minute candle broke all highs or broke highs and then came back down to close weak bearish without breaking the previous candle. Put the music back on. Low. Entry candle gave a 50 plus pip top wick for a technical stop loss / new higher low. Took profit around 30 pips. Price pushed for about 50. Okay, 2 30-minute candles, boom, boom, closed below the most recent support right here. This candle came up and broke this high, grabbing liquidity, potentially getting buyers activated right there. Perfect rejection right there. Came all the way back down to close very weak bearish. This candle started trickling down, but didn't break either of these lows right here. Came up, gave a 50-ish pip top wick. Entry on the break of this low. There were supports right here and right here, but we trusted that volume would take it on down. I took profit at 32 pips on my top one account and 26 pips on my personal account. So all good trade, and we'll see if there's anything else to take. If I do, I probably would take less risk. I'm mad that I got slipped. I only made 16 pips, but it's all good though. I gotta be careful though, because I think my max day so far on the account is like 1460, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, sign in. I don't want to go over that. I don't like that 666. Had to change that. 1645. So 1645 times 5, because you got to keep a 20% consistency. It's like 8,022.
I'm going top with.
I know, right? Get it? Ooh. Did this close below for you?
To be honest, yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, I mean, I guess this right here.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at these and I'm like, bruh, is that a reason that it's rejecting here and here? Like, it ain't closed below this yet. And are you pushing your luck? Because it's the same support that's over here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Like I said, it was 8:30. That was one quick jolt. But is this about to be a range game? I don't know. Like I said, maybe I'm being too scary. But sometimes I don't like pressing my luck after I done did it once. Not did it, like not press my luck, but like I took the trade. So like, is it forcing it by taking this trade when I see a blatant support right there? Right there. But it should go like with the volume that we still have in the market. What is that, a 33 pip stop? A re-break of its own low? Should go. Or it might go. If I get a 5-minute candle that closes like bearish, maybe under here, maybe, to go ahead and fill out the rest of this or some of this. But I be seeing, I'd be like, is it stopping for a reason? Man, Roger, how's it feel, bruh? You kicking back, relaxing today.
Yeah, man. I'm trying not to get back in. I should just lock out, but damn.
Then you got 2 trades today.
A little micro won't kill me.
It really won't. It really won't. That's why I damn near should consider right here, but I like to trade my normal risk. Like if I feel like it's not worth taking my full position, then is it worth it? But we'll see though. Let's see. It just broke his own low again. So let's see. Entry 3988.8. Should come on down. 3988.8 is the ish entry. In about 10. But yesterday, bro, when I was scalping a little bit, bro, I see about 15 to 20. Take it. 15 to 20. Take it. There you go. So it just gave like, or was the entry up here more so? Nah, it was like, yeah, gave like 20. If it stayed right here in the next minute, I might try my hand just because it is playing around this low. And if it does now break this low, it should be good. Am I near a support at all? 1 hour. should continue to fall, bro. No lie. I'm gonna see 43 seconds. I need a top wick though. Locked out weekly trade limit. Huh. Yeah, bro, you said a weekly trade limit. I ain't never seen nobody do that. Not a good thing, not a bad thing. You probably want to set like daily rather than weekly, just so you know now. In regards to the message in the group. Let's see. Let's say if I get like a perfect top wick type entry, I might try my hand at this on a 1. But if it just falls down, like I need a retest of this. Let's see. Right now it's a 60 pip stop. On the break of that low, I need an entry up like, or a stop like up here, especially if I'm using the 5-minute candles and shit. But if it just goes ID, ID, I wouldn't mind a little entry. I ain't taking this on no top wick on the 5, but you got a support right there, and it just closed below the support on the 5. And I don't want this range getting too little. But like I said, I don't gotta force it since I'm in the green for the day. You don't want to force none. You said it though, that 15 right there. I was nervous about this and how I kept rejecting.
I'll be throwing in on them candles, man. Looking at that volume.
That's gonna be the ultimate carrier. You know what I'm saying? That volume. Damn, I'm annoyed I got slipped, bro. Like I said, I should make 500 plus. I'm at 1,000 on these 50Ks. So I need to get to 3,000. So, bro, I'm telling you, I was entering like on the break of these lows yesterday. Been taking that little 20. I promise you, bro. Damn, that daily low is not too far away, for real. I'm scared to take the daily low now.
For real?
Bruh, the volume. In a bad way. Making too much money too fast.
Oh, you gotta put that wrist thing on.
No, not even that. Getting out in 10 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Brian, I did it again yesterday. I had an email support. I said, man, don't hold me. They said, it was like, we'll let it slide this time. But just make sure you keep an eye on it. I said, yeah, I will. I'm sounding like a hoe. Like, man, I did it again. I done did it again. Holding right into that support. That bit about to flip. If I get a closure back above this though, or a weak bearish at 9, bro, best believe I'll take that buy. Brandon, I don't know if you there or not, but I think I found the sauce, bro. Yesterday after the stream, I had to get in my bag a little bit of just thoughts. I think on those like reversals, aka the Tonio play, you either have to go lower risk and be able to sit in that little fluctuation, or you just have to take that little money that's on the table. Because I know we be wanting to see that big old 30, 40, 50, and it does sometimes. But, bro, it was great taking that 17 a couple times yesterday. Easy. It was easy, bro. You just, like, yeah, bro, you get out at 17 and it can go 50. But, bro, ain't nobody complaining about making money. And that's just real.
See y'all boys in the chat, man.
You say you about to head out?
Yeah, I'm finna go to the desk.
Say less.
I'm still on here though.
Be smart though.
All right.
I can actually go in the office at a good time today, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna reward myself.
We need that.
Now I'm gonna actually go and be there at 9:55. I'm gonna be there.
You're gonna get a good seat.
Yeah, bro. Like I be rolling in at 10:40 and shit. Like that's ass. Oh, all right, bro.
I'm busy.
Yeah. Grant Scott said, "Good morning. Good morning, my brother. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already." Oh, 32 on one move. Trying to see if there's anything else. Hey, said I don't mind being in my scalping bag. I really don't. The other move that wasn't too bad right here was one that Roger pointed out. Kind of like I be psyching myself out just a little bit, not in a bad way. Just looking at potential areas where price can hold up, and you don't want to force anything, especially if you're second guessing yourself at all. But I was looking at this support right here, this support right here. If you see, every time price kind of wicked into there, it came up, wicked into there, it came up, wicked into there, it came up. So kind of when it's closed above here, price did make a great top wick, and it did go ahead and make a great move down after breaking its own low, re-breaking its own low. But I did see this and kind of avoided it because of it. And y'all know my saying, I'd rather be out wishing I were in than in wishing I were out. So it is what it is. And I think, albeit a very small time frame, this 5-minute candle here, I was like, you had a 5-minute candle kind of formulating a fake out. So no big deal. No big deal. It's still range, like, honestly, down. It closes below here. It ain't nothing in the way until the wick fill. You get a closure under here and like we'll break below here. That's still a 35 pip range down there. If you get some green candles start formulating and closing back above here on a weak bullish candle or a weak bearish candle, sorry, that's also an option. So there's plenty of things to do. But if it closed like right here, in my words to Roger, man, I would just anticipate a wick fill, or at least a part, or it's like if this is a 55 pip range, 56 pip range, once again, I just want half of it. So we'll see. But yeah, Brandon, I don't know, bro. Like, I love holding as much as the next guy. And I love hitting my 32 pips over here and shit, but I don't got time to be sitting in fluctuations like we were sitting in last Friday, bro. I blew some accounts because of it. I know it. Because of the damn drawdown. Like, I took a win on the trade, but the drawdown got my account out of there. So I say only, that's funny. I only have 17 accounts or 18 accounts now instead of my 22. Yeah. That boy said he locked out for the week.
I ain't even said it. I think it's like automatic when you first buy
no
the
way.
one.
Bro, they not locking people out for the week. But like you kind of saying, no, you don't even know. You probably wouldn't even know how to set that though.
Facts. I just
I think, let's see, settings, risk settings,
seen it on
locker
there.
risk settings for the day, personal lockout. Bro, I have no clue.
But I wonder if it was automatically set because I had bought the new deal, the Ignite.
I like the Ignite accounts. I like the price on them and the rules behind them. I would he said I forgot to reset up the copy trade, so I'm trying to get my other. I don't know, bro. But one thing I will say is their little chat bot is really good. And if you can't get your answer from their chat bot, then you can go ahead and just say connect me to a person. So I would definitely look into doing either one of those and just asking, like, is that like the automatic thing, or like how can I change that? Because I mean, what you gonna do for the rest of the week? You gonna buy another one? You gonna
I already bought another
chill?
one. I'm just waiting on that contract.
Okay. Yeah, it's all good. I mean,
Wait,
you
so
getting the flow.
the
What'd you
Ignite
say?
account locked you out for a week?
Yeah, I had bought it yesterday and then did a couple. I went positive yesterday, but I guess I placed too many trades. I don't know. And
How
then
many is too many?
I right now I feel 7. So I don't know.
There ain't no way, bro.
I need to look into
Folks
that.
be doing way more in way less time. All right, I'm gonna see if I get a top wick here. I may try this. Once again, nothing major. Just like a little quick scout on the break of this or a re-break of his own low. And if it just goes up like that, there ain't nothing I can do about it. Yeah, the range is getting a little too small for me right here. Yeah, see, that's only 20 pips. I would have liked to have taken advantage of this. But what I will say is, I'm gonna take an entry on a break of this high though, and try my hand there. Once again, a scout. And if I see like minus 15, minus 20, I'll probably just cut it. I know that most candles make top and bottom wick. So if this candle comes back up and re-breaks this high after tapping into this support right here, I would anticipate that it's gonna come up and make a top wick. How high? I don't know, but we'll see. But it's closed rejecting out of here. This is a big ass like technical stop loss though. Like this is not huge, but like it's 55. But let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and set an automatic. Take profit up there. Ooh, it's 98. I hate having to take that shit into consideration. Brandon, daily lows. Daily lows. Daily lows right here, y'all. That's another move that we be taking, but this has no top wick. Bro, this shit can clip you in and flip back. I would like a top wick entry more than I would like the break of the daily lows. We'll see. It's only 50 pips away from the break of the daily low. And daily low, you'll see a nice jolt of volume a lot of times. Let's see. And Brandon, that's such an honest damn mistake, bro. Like forgetting to set that copy trader. 1465 minus 922. 1465 minus 922. Or 1645. 1645 minus 922. I can make 723, so I'm good. I can make like 20. I'm gonna reset my copy trade. I'm gonna go 2s rather than 3s. Update the group. Okay. So these are all 2s. These are all 1s. This should keep pushing down, man. It might go ahead and break that daily low. Well, I'm gonna set it. So 37.95 will be the break of the daily low. And I'm gonna set that to so I like both ideas. And break of the daily low is, y'all know, very near and dear to me. But it can get you now. So you gotta be quick with the trigger finger. Definitely gotta be quick with the trigger finger. That's in a win or a loss, a win or a losing situation. Oh, this candle comes and breaks this real quick. I would anticipate it coming down into there, but we'll see. We'll see. Win, lose, or draw. So 1 minute until this candle, or this 5-minute candle closes. Brandon, just to think, bro. If you can just hold these trades, man, just hold and hold and hold and hold, you be sitting so pretty from up there. This was our original entry. 150. Just eating, bro. Just eating. All right, so I usually use a 5-minute high, like a new 5-minute high as my stop. But in this instance, like I always be saying, y'all, if I see like minus 20, 25 on a break of the daily lower high, I just gotta cut it, bro. Like, it's no real method behind that madness, to be honest. There's no real method behind that madness. So this candle closed kind of right at this 5-minute support right here, but ain't really worried about that. Like I said, I'm going half my normal risk over here. So I'm up 550. If I lose 200 or 250, I ain't just tripping. Like, it ain't that big of a deal on a move that usually plays out. So if you cut your risk in half, that's not that big. Not that bad. Be careful though. Like I say, man, that shit just be jumping, bro. Like, Brandon, I'm damn near scared to have that shit so close.
Order filled.
Stop fill.
All right, I'm in. All right, minus 15, minus 16, minus 20. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm
Order
out.
filled.
See, that's what I be saying, bro. I saw minus 25 over, or minus 20 over here. I cut it at minus 20. So if this candle flips up, it probably is gonna make a top wick, quite honestly. But we'll see. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and set the buy stop on a rebreak of that high after it just broke
Stop
that
filled.
low. There we
Order
go.
filled.
I ain't trying to tilt. Let's see. So let's see. All right. Up 14, 15. Come on now. Push. If it rebreaks this high, it should be good to go on up. But if it comes down, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it again. It just broke the low and now coming up to re-break the high. So I may just cut it and take what I got. All right, 17.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Boom, got that 220 back over here. So got 19 over here, got 220 back over here. So no harm, no foul in it. So the thought process on that was broke this daily low down here with not much of a top wick. All it was a simple re-break of this high. I mean, same shit, different day. So let's see what I finished that over here. Boom. 515 on these accounts, 818 over here. Because that's why I lost like $50 per account, 40, $50 per account. So no big deal. Just because of the spreads, this came right back into this little support area right there. So now it's kind of rejecting right off of it. So the next move would probably be waiting on a 15-minute candle. If this 15-minute candle closes like real weak bearish, entry on the break of this high after rejecting out of this support would be good. But one thing I will say, what you can't do is you can't hold the bag, bro. Like I said exactly what I'm gonna do. If I see minus 20, 15, 20, gotta cut it. Gotta cut it. Because what did I do? I was able to get it right back on the re-break of this high. You just gotta cut that shit. You gotta put that pride, leave that pride at the door. Because holding on to these positions is the only thing that's gonna fuck you up. Entry was on the break of this low right here. Didn't see it, but saw it, I guess. 15, 17, whatever you want to call it. That should be moving dumb fast. And then all I did was re-enter on the break of the high. Boom, took it up for 20. The same 20 I lost, I made 22. So, oh well. Kind of like a break-even idea. On to the next. Didn't lot up, didn't do any of that. I don't want to be having my heart thumping, to be honest. I really don't. Brandon, you said, man, you must not manage risk. Bro, it's so funny because we saw. That's so crazy, bro. Like, that is so crazy. Because I can even pull it up on my TRADECOPIA account. Entry was 39.75. Bro, the daily low is 39.73.3 now. Saw 17. Didn't see it, but I saw it. They say so. I believe him. 88.75. I said that in regards to imagine if we held that full play. Oh, okay. You said that a minute ago. What you do on that daily low and re-break and all that shit? Man. If we close like this, we're in a little bit of no man's land just with the 15-minute candle closing above here. But if it closes below it, I definitely will take a little entry to come down. I got it. Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, that shit shot down fast. Bro, that's why the daily low and high is great when it plays out, but you gotta put that pride aside. Like, you have to. And I'm not even talking to you. I'm really talking to like people that try to take that play. Because like, it's halfway a gamble. Can't even lie. Like, you just basically going off of volume, breaking down hella hard and not getting you out in 10 seconds because of these dumbass rules that these prop firms have. So with that being said, if you see minus 20, cut. Easy cut. Brandon, I'm not hating this buy right now though. The way these 5-minute candles are turning around, respecting this 5-minute support, this 5-minute candle comes up. We'll see. We'll see. I would love if it would close above here. Man, I'll put my entry on a break of this high. Well, I don't even need to wait till up there because that's 40 pips away. I'll put it on a break of a 5-minute high, to be honest, if I get a nice wick down. 3 minutes. I'm going to wait this 3 minutes. Those on YouTube, like and subscribe. I'm trying to see what we got going on. Like and subscribe to the channel. We're at 404 subscribers. Trying to see what we can do. Man, Brandon, I had to come out the gutter, boy. I was at 7,300 on this bit. It got nasty fast after Thursday or Friday. One of the two. But God. So I'm like $100 away from getting back right, man. Damn, stay right there. Come on. Don't do it now. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. If it breaks this high, y'all, it's probably gonna go up. It's making a top wick. Damn, I want to take it too, but it's 2 minutes left in the candle. Price action says this 1 hour is about to make a top wick. I might take it and take my little monies if I get it. Let's see. I might take it. All right. Once again, don't really got to stop. So you kind of just got to use your discernment. Because that's just the 1 hour flipping. I'm hoping that it has enough time to go up. But the better move would be to wait on 9:15. But I'm just anticipating that after it breaks this high with literally no top wick, it should go ahead and get going. So let's see. But I only got a minute. So I ain't trying to be in for more than about 30 seconds. But we'll see. No real stop loss. No real stop loss.
Order
Fair
stop
warning.
filled.
Okay, I'm in. Got my theme music. Am I down now? Come on now. Push up. What I'm not trying to be caught in is the 15-minute pullback, bro. Come on. Push up. Or this next couple seconds. Come on. Push up. 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 20 seconds. And I think it's gonna go up. I just don't want to get caught in whatever 15-minute pullback there could be. But I do think it's gonna push up still. 15 seconds. I'm gonna be quick with this exit if it just shoots straight up without much of a bottom wick. 5 seconds. Come on. Do me right. A weak bearish. I don't love that closure just with the way the 15-minute closed. Like, it should go up, but it could be making a top wick to go down. So, let's see. I'm gonna be smart here. See, that's what I'm talking about. 9, -9, -8. Come on, man. Don't make that bottom wick. If it re-breaks this high, I ain't gonna see no more drawdown. I ain't trying to see no more drawdown if it re-breaks the low. Come on, break this high. Break the high. Break that high. Break that high. There we go. Just broke that high. And like I said, Brandon, I'm completely cool with taking 15, 17, 20, 25. The days of me trying to hold that bag are far and few between. So it broke this high right now, but I'm not loving the price action on it. Just off of the chance that it could be making a top wick to come down. If it breaks that low, I think it's actually gonna come down. So I ain't really trying to hold this bag too long. Come on, man, push up. 7, 8, 6. Eight, 9, 10. Come on, bro. Push up. If it breaks high again, it should be. Oh, man. I just seen 11. Damn, bro. What we doing? Nine, 10, 7. It's playing around. So, and the worst, my boy Tonio. I'm trying to trust it, but damn. I also can take my little money that's on the table. 13, 12, 13, 14, 14, and
Order filled.
Order filled.
Bet. So I took 17 on both those accounts. 17, 17, 17. So you'll see plus 170 over here. And then you'll see, oh, I got 180 over here. Look like I got a sniper exit too. Plus 180. Boom. I definitely would have went stops to break even right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. After it was playing around. Let's see what I ended up. Ended up plus 1145 on that account. 427 on this account. 419, 419, 409. So the analysis on that was simply a re-break, yeah, I'd have got stopped out right there, and I'd been really fucking annoyed. Really annoyed. Anyway, the analysis on that was just simply a re-break of the 1 hour high because there was not a top wick. And with that being said, Brandon, much like I said, brother, I'm gonna take my little 15, 16, 17 wick class every time. So that was 18 on my personal account and 17 on that account. And I'm now finally back above 9K. Ooh, boy, it was a climb. The last couple weeks been so nasty, y'all. But truthfully, prop trading is cool. Like, I like prop trading. But man, making this real money on real, I can go withdraw it and it's gonna be in my account tonight, money on. It's different, bro. I took on my rack yesterday, 689 today. I don't know what the next move is. Let me see. Let's see. I think this is what I was talking about. It could be grabbing this high to simply flip and come down because the price action on every candle is bearish. Like, so with this just making this small top wick, this was just potentially activating buyers. And buyers being me, and this is the real move again. So above 9K. What was I at yesterday? I appreciate you, Chris. Tapping in with me, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So, trying to limit the trades. Before I'm looking like my dog who locked out for the week, he said.
Tragic,
I'm locked out
boy.
for the week. He said, I'm locked out for the week.
Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna have to run it up
I'm
with a
about
second
to
account.
get off so I can go shower and get ready to go. But just quick question, like, are you understanding? Because I know you told me you had a bit of understanding kind of when we met one-on-one. Like, are you having a better understanding?
Oh yeah, I'm on the money.
Cool.
Oh yeah, I'm.
It's always it's ever changing. So like,
yeah,
you're never gonna be perfect. I'm never gonna be perfect. All you can do is go with what you think. And shit, the worst thing you could do is take big ass losses.
Gotcha.
That's the worst thing you could do. So I took plus 320, minus 200, plus 220, and plus 170. So like, I'm cool. Like, that's a overall good day. Like,
yeah,
that's a good
I mean,
day.
I profited yesterday. Since it's for the first day, I profited like 230.
Yeah.
So that's a good start.
And bruh, and I always tell people, bro, you gotta learn before you earn. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And like, if you just so happen to, go ahead and make some money in the interim, then that's great. But bruh, you trying to do what you trying to do for years from now. Like, I started this shit in 2019. I started this shit in 2019. So this is all fine and dandy, but bro, it take time to get here.
Yeah.
That shit take time. So we gonna get it though. So
That's all right. I'm about to hit right now.
Oh, you in?
Yeah, I'm at 400 right now, so it's all good.
I like how my beginners or my people with limited knowledge don't have so much. You don't have information that's clouding your mind, so you good. Like, it's not, you're not stressing being up 400 or being up 350 or being up 300. It's like, bro, whatever happened. Like, I'm gonna just trust that shit gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how it's really supposed to be.
Right now, my strategy is ICC.
Okay. Bro,
So
all that shit, honestly, is the same shit, bro. Like, you really just, you say, bruh, I see a support right here. I'm trying to target that bit. I see a clean range down into here. How the fuck do I get down into here? Bro, that's all it is.
Yeah.
That's really all it is. Like, you can go ahead and make up stuff in your mind of like what you think it is and all that, bro. But that's making it too hard. I use one indicator, my EYES, my eyes, bro. Eyes and volume.
As soon as I see the trend, yeah, facts.
Yeah, bro. Like that's really all it come down to. Like you just put the pieces together. Like I said, I'm gonna get out up here because I really think the move is to sell. Okay, what did it do? It came down, broke its own low. Wick fill. If this is the first area of target, that would have been a cool little 32. Okay, first profit, second profit down here for 70. What is it doing? Playing around right now. Like, bro, that shit is simple, bro. Like, you just gotta limit them damn losses. The losses is what's nasty when people just be letting them big ass losses hit. And I can be people sometimes. I can be people. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. So, you definitely gonna get this shit though. I'm excited to have some new blood in here. So, because that's what helps me out. Because it's nice to have another little opinion. Like you'll always hear me ask, like, what you think about blank. I know Brandon about to say, I just hit. I already knew Brandon was about to say it. That shit was sweet, bro. Like you can just keep putting them pieces together and just making it work. You got a 50K dog, or you got a 25 or what, 100? Your name Lurie, right? Nah, not
You talking to me, James?
Yeah.
Oh, my fault, gang. Yeah, right. I had a 50K. Now I got a 25, so I'm
okay
on that.
Okay. Oh yeah. Be careful with that one because I think yes, I should have told you this. The rules on them Ignite accounts, your consistency needs to stay within 15%.
15%. Yeah.
So that means that if you got a 25K and the profit, is there a profit target?
For the 50K, it's just 1,500.
And for the 25K, it's what? Will be. Is it 1,000?
I think it's just $1,000. Yeah.
I think you're right. No, maybe it's 1,250. Maybe it's 1,250. Let me see. What is the profit target for the Ignite 25K account? I love this little AI shit, bro. AI is so mind blowing to me. It's so mind blowing to me. My wife was telling me about this shit before it really popped. Yeah, and yes, Brandon, exactly. Yeah, it's 1,250. So if your target is supposed to be 1,250 and your consistency is supposed to be 15%, you do 1,250 times 0.15. You technically not supposed to, quote unquote, supposed to make more than 187.50 in a day to stay within that consistency. There's no right or wrong to it, but I will say, like, now that if you did end up making more, you'll have to go ahead and find that number that will keep you within a 15% consistency. So how much are you up right now, or how much you take profit on?
I'm up 400 right now.
So if you up 400, let's see, 2,000 times 0.15, 2,500 times 0.15. 2,700 times 0.15. You'd have to make 2,700 because 2,700 times 0.15 is 405. So that's how you do the consistency rule. So if your profit target is blank, you multiply whatever that is times 0.15. That's how you find the consistency that you need to stay within, or you have to make more money to in turn balance out your consistency. So what we do a lot of times is if you up too much right now, you can go in and lose on purpose. You can do that. Or you can just say, F it, I don't really care. Like, I'm gonna make the money regardless. Like, however you want to play it.
Right. So if I'm over that range, what they gonna do? Lock me out?
No. If you over the range, remember, I just said it. You have to just make more now. So I fucked up and got in a hole in these accounts. Yeah. So my profit target was only 3,000 for this payout cycle, but I got in such a bad drawdown that I had to get out the gutter. So my profit target on these were 20%.
Yeah.
So in a perfect world, I'd have made 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 3,000 times 0.20. And I would have just hit this 3,000. But now, since I had to get out of the gutter, I had big days. So it's 1645.60. So it's my highest day. 1645.60 times 5 is 8,228 when all I needed to make was 3,000. So I got to climb. But once again, I had one stupid ass day that sent me so deep in the hole where I was just like, bro, fuck it. It is what it is. I got to make big days to get that shit back. So that's why I'm kind of saying, like, shit, if you comfortable making 400 anyway, like, it don't really matter. Yeah, so like you can either go in, purposely lose, and get your consistency back closer to that 187.50, or you can say, bro, fuck it, I'm playing a long game anyway. I'm gonna try to make more so I have more money after the withdrawal anyway. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, facts. That's how I'm thinking.
That drop?
That's originally. Hey, bro, I just went big on that drop.
Bro, what are you up?
I pulled out at 9. I pulled out at 8 actually. I said I was out.
You ain't listening to nothing I'm saying.
I got scared. Not yet. Nah, I was listening for sure. I had written it down,
bro. That 30-minute candle has no bottom wick, by the way, y'all.
It don't.
No bottom wick on a 30-minute candle. If it re-break is low with all this volume, it should
it's gonna
go.
retest.
I mean, we just closed under everything. But no bottom wick. I don't like taking that entry. Because that means like it didn't have range for the downside. But if it keeps going, I'm gonna just watch it, bro. I made my money for the day. Like, how dare I? How dare I turn my nose up at 11 grand an hour? But this shit about to fall all day, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This shit about to fall all day. It just broke that low right there and just dang. But that was a 1 minute drop. Or 1 second. Oh my God.
That was crazy.
Bro, that shit dropped 170 in a minute.
I think it's going to
all right, so it's
downtrend.
Re-breaking.
Yeah.
See, bro, that's that bullshit.
Gonna stick to the downtrend, bro.
That's that bullshit. That's what I would be in. I'm telling you, bro, that no wick, no entry. And it's funny because if you trade in the right lot sizes, you shouldn't be worried about none of that pullback shit. I just be trading so big, technically speaking, that I can't do nothing with it.
Yeah.
So,
because you copy,
y'all,
you copy trading on 17.
What'd you say?
You copy trading on 17 accounts.
All of them, bro.
Yeah.
All of them. Every single one. Every single one. So
insane.
I can't take those big ass losses. I can't do it.
I wouldn't either.
Yeah, like if I see -20, -25, I have to cut it, bro. Like seeing -40 across 17 accounts, nigga, you dead. Bro, I'm trading 2s and 3s and 4s. Hey, bro, it's nasty, but okay, y'all boys. I'm about to go ahead and log off. Be smart, use a stop loss, and if you still trading, don't be a dumbass. It's that fake consistency rule always confused me. That makes sense now. Yeah, bro. It's not hard. Whatever the profit target is, multiply that bit by 0.20, 0.25, 0.15, whatever you need to do, and that's it. So, all right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, okay.
Y'all be easy. Good shit, Brandon.